guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, my name is Amanda and I do beauty, lifestyle, fitness, weight loss videos here on my channel. So I hope you guys enjoy. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell because I know that sometimes you won't even see my videos when I upload on your feed. I don't know what is up with all these social medias changing it up on us, but yeah, just be sure to hit that notification bell so you'll always be notified whenever I upload. Anyways, as you can tell from the title, today I'm going to be showing you guys what I eat in a day to lose weight. I am back on meal prepping and I'm excited about it. It's gonna be my first day meal prepping again, and I'm gonna be on a stricter diet this time. I still want to try to do intermittent fasting because it has been helping me out a lot. And yeah, so right now it's like 8 a.m. on a Monday. I'm gonna make my little lemon water plus apple cider vinegar thing. So what I do is I fill up my 32 ounces of water cup bottle thing. And then take your apple cider vinegar. I like this brand particularly. I mean, I don't like apple cider vinegar at all. It smells like feet, like stinky feet. And it doesn't taste great either. So I take the cap and I just take 2 capfuls of this and just put that into your water. 2 thin slices of the lemon, I just put that in there. Okay, take half a lemon, just squeeze all the juices out. And I feel like the lemon flavor, the lemon juice, will cancel out the ACV flavor. So I am gonna go ahead and go to my apartment gym. I'm gonna be taking this with me. I'm going to be doing fasted cardio right now. Fasted cardio means that I am not going to be eating. I'm gonna be working out. I'm gonna be doing cardio on an empty stomach. Hey guys, so I just got done getting ready. So right after I did my fasted cardio, I took a shower, got ready, and here I am. So I want to show you guys, I actually just got a package from UPBRA, and you guys know I always talk about them because their bra is the bombest. Some of you guys had already made your purchase and you guys are telling me how much you love them, and I'm so happy to hear that a lot of you guys gave them a try, so you guys get to experience how bomb their bras are. So I'm just gonna unbox it with you guys right now really quickly before we move on with this video. So right now currently I'm not wearing the UPBRA, and you guys know I have mommy boobs that droop down low. So I feel like I never really unboxed this in front of you guys, and I want to show you guys how amazing their packaging is. So inside the shipping box, they send you another box, like their own box that says UPBRA. They give you like a little card right here and also tissue paper, so cute. And inside, I got 2 of their bras here. And I am a size 34C. So I got one in black and one in white. So the white one right here is the t-shirt bra in white, which I do need because I only have the t-shirt bra in black right now in my correct size. And you guys know that this t-shirt bra is my fave, like my favorite of all time. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on these strapless bras since last time I put on the t-shirt bra for you guys. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys the before of my boobs. Again, mommy boobs drooping down low, no volume, no nothing. So we're gonna change that right now in 3, 2, 1. You guys see the difference in my boobies? Like, come on, you guys. And what I love about the strapless is that you can wear spaghetti strap stuff or strapless stuff and you can still have your cleavage out. It stays up literally. You can be running around, you could be doing crazy things, dancing around at the club, whatever you guys do, your bra will not move around. They have this little heartfelt things inside right here, which helps the bra stick to your boobies. And also, UPBRA is really known for their little adjustable straps right here. So you can unhook the little straps. You can pull them together to get your cleavage or your boobs closer together to create a bigger, more prominent cleavage. Be sure to check them out, and I will leave my discount code right here on the screen and as well as down in the description box below. And I'm not getting any commission out of it or anything like that. It's all just for you guys. Alright guys, so it is currently 1:37 p.m. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm actually not that hungry today for some odd reason, but I'm gonna have to force myself to eat because I need to at least eat 2 times a day. Yeah, so I'm gonna make my cauliflower fried rice. I posted this on Snapchat and I posted a little bit of the recipe and stuff like that. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do on here. This is gonna be my second time making it, and I just wing it honestly. And last time it turned out really good, so I'm kind of craving it again, and I'm excited to eat it. It's super low carbs and it's healthier option, you know, and it still tastes like fried rice honestly. So we got the sesame oil right here. We got some soy sauce. This is chili oil / chili paste, so it's like it has the oil as you can see, and it has the paste too at the bottom, and you can get this at like Asian markets, and I got this one at 99 Ranch. I got garlic powder here, black pepper, some riced veggie, which is a rice cauliflower, green giant brand, and it already comes with the peas and the carrots in there. And I get this one from Target, and I believe you can get it from Walmart too. And I got the Morningstar Farms buffalo chicken patties, which I really like to eat with this because I want like some type of meat. So I also use 2 eggs right here. First, I'm gonna take half a cup of the cauliflower. So I'm gonna take about this much more, so not a full half cup. So I want to say about like 3/4 of the cup. Next, I'm gonna put this in the microwave. I'm gonna put 3 minutes, and I'm just gonna let that sit. I also already preheated the oven to 375 for my buffalo chicken patties. All right, so while waiting for the cauliflower, I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of oil. The pan and the oil is all hot. I'm gonna go ahead and put in my 2 eggs. I'm gonna go ahead and throw in the cauliflower rice. Gonna go ahead and take my sesame oil, soy sauce, black pepper, garlic powder, and chili oil. So then just mix everything together. So for the patty, I microwaved it for 1 minute, and then I just popped it into the oven, and I'm gonna wait about like a few minutes until it's a little bit crispy, and I'm gonna take it out. So I'm gonna make Savi try the cauliflower rice and see what she thinks. Okay, try it. I don't know what you think.
Oh, excuse me. I'm like, dang. I was like, who are you saying hello to like that?
Hi,
Thank you. I'm like super sleepy. Good.
Like, would you eat it?
Yeah.
It doesn't even taste like veggies at all to me.
It tastes like, it reminds me of something.
Oh, you didn't try the patty. It's like a veggie patty. Alright guys, so it is now 5:19 and I'm gonna eat my second and last meal of the day. I don't know why, I'm just so not hungry today. Like, I'm gonna show you guys what I have for my meal prep. I'm sorry it's dark. All right, so for my meal prep here, I have some veggies. I have half a cup of rice, 4 ounces of chicken. And I'm also gonna have a side of spinach salad with that if I'm still feeling a little bit hungry. So if I work out my muscle group, then I would go ahead and drink my protein shake, which I'm thinking about working out right now. So I'm gonna show you guys the protein that I've been drinking. This is the Premier Protein. I get them from Walmart. I just take one of these and drink it after my workout. Last time I got the cookies and cream, which I love, by the way. And this time I got the caramel because I want to try mixing the caramel protein with my coffee. But yeah, thank you so much you guys for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and find it very helpful. Let me know if you guys want me to do more of these weight loss series, and also if you want me to do more of what I eat in a day type of things, type of videos. Also, I am going to be I'm planning on doing like my meal prepping routine since I'm gonna get back into it. So let me know if you guys want to see a video on the meal prep that I do. And yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. I do apologize for my eyes being swollen. I have been my anxiety has been through the roof starting last night. I don't want to go into much detail, but I know that like human trafficking has been going on for a long time, and it's just getting worse and worse. I've been hearing stuff about it every single day and around my area, and it's just kind of like too close for comfort. Ladies, just be careful out there. Always be aware of your surrounding and try to have some type of protection with you, whether it is a pepper spray or a pocket knife, something like that. It's just scary. Like, so many bad things are going on in this world, and I feel like this world is just going to shit. But you know, I'm trying to keep positive, and I'm sorry I don't want to like spread negativity on my channel, but I also want to be real with you guys.